everyone, and good Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Brian Udorf with the National Weather Service right here in Louisville, Kentucky. Just kind of wanted to give you an update as we get ready to roll into the weekend and, of course, look ahead to that potential severe threat as we make our way into the early part of next week. Let's look at what we've got. Let's start with today. It's going to start off dry, so you should have no problems as we make our way through the first part. But then as we make our way into the afternoon, and maybe you have some Friday night evening plans, there's a lot going on as we prepare for next week. And you can see here that we've got some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could potentially have some gusty winds, heavy rain, and of course, lightning. It is a very low-end severe threat. Again, gusty winds will be the main thing, and the environment overall is not great. So you can see here for locations, say around Frankfurt and then to Louisville, and then as you work your way north of I-64 and along I-65 is where our best threat is. And again, it is extremely low end. The overall environment later on this afternoon is not favorable, but if you are going to be outside, you might want to have an idea because still you're going to have that threat of lightning and a little bit of some gusty winds. But overall, while we think we're going to get thunderstorms, that overall threat of, well, severe is very, very low. And then if you've got weekend plans, it should be mainly dry. We are going to see temperatures mid-upper 70s, maybe near 80. There's a lingering chance of a few showers and thunderstorms on Saturday as you get near the parkways and farther south. But then Sunday looks dry. Very nice weather for the weekend. So if you've got weekend plans, no problems there. Now we're going to turn our attention to what maybe a lot of you are talking about or looking ahead, and that is Monday. There is a potential threat for severe thunderstorms. And we've got a storm system that is going to make its way out of the plains and into the Great Lakes during the day on Monday. It's going to allow for a warm front to work north and then put us in this environment where we potentially could get severe weather. But there's a lot of details that are still trying to come together. It's like a photo. We can make out this photo of something, and we know that it's a forecast. We know it's something. We're just trying to make sure those lines get a little bit more crisp. So here's what we know. The storm system will bring that threat of strong, potentially to severe storms. Here's the latest outlook, and we're 4 days out. So Monday afternoon into Monday night, but this is an evolving forecast. So there is some trends or some latest data that maybe pushes this a little later. But again, fine tuning, right? We still got a large margin of error. And then where? Well, you can see here in that yellow. All right, that would be that normal slight or risk 2 out of 5 when we're talking about the threat of severe weather. And I put this little kind of dash line a little bit farther east. And what that is showing is that locations in between, as you go farther east of I-65, could still be impacted with severe weather because this line of showers and thunderstorms will work through Monday night into Tuesday morning. And until we get a better picture, we just don't know. And that's where all of this ends. So locations west, as you go closer to Paducah, Evansville, Illinois, that is where the confidence grows in the threat of severe. And we're still in this kind of low-end, medium confidence that severe weather is going to be possible. And so what you need to do now, the planning starts now. This is a great time to start thinking ahead. Do I have plans Monday afternoon? Are there activities, kids, baseball, whatever it may be, outdoors? Start preparing. Start thinking ahead. Where will everybody be at a certain particular time, especially in the afternoon? And then as we go into later on tonight, and then over the weekend, constantly keep updating the forecast. Go to whatever weather source you trust the most, whatever app, whatever site, or weather.gov to get the latest updates on weather forecasts. We will have these slides. They are already updated and posted on weather.gov/Louisville. So as you prepare for the weekend, you might have to dodge a little showers and thunderstorms for today. Enjoy the nice weather for the weekend and start planning for that potential of severe weather as we go into the early part and start next week.